Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to craft the gardening bird house in Heartopia. This bird house, the unique bird house. And to craft this bird house, first make sure you already have this furniture recipe. You can get this furniture recipe from the collections reward at the bird watching diary. This one. Sorry, not on here. Or you can get it from the gardening catalog at the gardening hobby collections like this. You need to collect 52 points, and after you get this point you can unlock this recipe and you will get this recipe. And then after you get this recipe, just go to your workbench and then just craft it. In here you need this stone and then ore and then roaming oak timber and then flawless fluoride. And then next just adjust the amount that you want to craft and then just simply tap on craft like this and then just wait for a moment. And just like that, you will successfully making the gardening bird house. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.